Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have a Nissan Qashqai 2015 model diesel car. I'm going to show you how am I going to change engine oil and oil filter. First, we need to jack up the car. Jacking point underneath here. This is the jacking point. When you work underneath car, better to leave axle stand underneath for additional safety. You can leave it underneath subframe, or there is another chassis member there. You can leave it wherever convenient for you. Luckily, this one doesn't have underneath cover. If you have underneath cover, you have to remove the cover. Then this is a square head nut. Here you need a 8mm square head socket for this sump nut, and this one 27mm socket. First I am going to remove the sump nut, and you need something to catch the oil. This one need to turn anti-clockwise. This one also need to turn anti-clockwise. Filter stuck inside. Right. Now I am going to leave it until oil come out. Once you remove the filter, make sure clean inside and the outside also well. Once you drain the oil underneath, make sure this cap open and close and leave it like that. When you open, don't going to leave it fully open, because if some reason mistakenly if you drop something, it's going to inside the engine, another problem. Because of that, just leave the cap open and leave it like that. After that, we need to remove this o-ring, very important. When you're going to install new o-ring, make sure around apply little bit. I have a oil in my fingers, just apply little bit oils around this area. It's make it easy to install and install to the filter housing. Right, I'm going to leave it like that. And after that, when you're going to reinstall this sump nut, if you want, you can change this copper washer and put the new copper washer, or some people apply thread seal around this area, or some people change the whole nut. Whatever, totally up to you. However, make sure it won't leak around this area. Right, I left it this one like a 20 minutes, still tiny drip coming. It's okay. Then after that, I'm going to clean around this filter area and going to install the filter. First 3-4 thread by hand, then after that you can use the ratchet. Just do the hand tight, no need to over tight. After that, some plug or sump nut. I will add the link below for this tool. Just hand tight, and after that use brake cleaner and cleans around that area, and filter housing also well. Right, nice and dry around this area. Then after that I'm going to leave it everything as it is and go to top of the engine. When you're going to choose the oil, choose correct grade of the oil. This one has a C3 C4 5W30 LS. I'm using Napa brand. If you're using junk oil, it's not good for your timing chain. Be careful. If you're not sure, contact your local supplier or local dealer and ask which grade of oil this vehicle holding. First, I know this vehicle holding like a nearly 6 liters or something. However, I'm going to add 5 liters first. Right, give it time to settle down the oil. Then after that, what we need to do, need a take out dipstick, wipe and reinstall and have a look the oil level. I can see oil level exactly like a around 3/4 something. Then I'm going to leave it. 3/4 is enough for at the moment. I'm going to start the car. After that, make sure close this cap and going to start the car. After that, I'm going to leave it 5 minutes running and I'm going to underneath and have a look any leakings around that area. I left it running around 5 minutes. Then after that, I came underneath and I'm going to check around this area any leaking. You can see my finger nice and dry. That means that this area no leaking. And also check around this filter area. See nothing there, nice and dry. Then underneath all fine. This is very important. Take a 5 minute and do this step because sometimes people doing lower the jack, send them out, then it's come with the without oil or sometimes leaking around that area. Be careful, be aware of this problem. Once you check, 5 minutes gone, you are happy. After that, all going nice and smooth. Right, now I'm going to switch off the engine. After that, I'm going to remove this axle stand and going to lower the jack. Right, need to go to the engine bay again, lift up the dipstick, wipe, install and have a look. Yeah, it's halfway here. Then I need to top up until here. Then I'm going to top up. Then after that, all fine. Now you know how to change your engine oil. If you have a proper tool, proper jack, proper axle stand, you will be fine. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. If you not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. Then you can get a lot of video like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.